This is the 1-minute summary of this breaking news. For details report, keep watching this report.
In a major crackdown, the Mumbai crime branch has busted an illegal call center in Gurgaon that was allegedly duping American citizens. The fake call center, which was impersonating major antivirus companies like Greek Squad and McAfee, was run by a group of individuals who would trick victims into paying for non-existent software renewals. 13 people have been arrested in the raid, including the owners and telecallers. This bust highlights the growing trend of organized cybercrime networks operating from India and targeting foreign nationals. The modus operandi of the accused was sophisticated. They would first send out mass phishing emails to American citizens, which appeared to be from well-known antivirus companies. These emails would contain fake invoices for software renewals and a toll-free number. When a victim would call the number to complain or get a refund, the telecallers would gain remote access to their computers by convincing them to install a software. They would then manipulate the victims into believing that their bank accounts were compromised and that they needed to purchase gift cards worth a few $100s to fix the issue. The callers would then convert the gift card codes into cryptocurrency to transfer the money, making it difficult to trace.
This is the 1-minute summary of this breaking news. For detailed report, keep watching this report.
Let's analyze this news report in detail. The operation, conducted by Mumbai Crime Branch's Unit 12, was based on a specific tip-off. On the evening of 15 September 2025, a team led by a senior officer raided a commercial complex in Gurgaon. The illegal call center was found to be operating from the 7th floor of the Vihan commercial complex, targeting citizens of the United States. During the raid, police seized a significant amount of electronic equipment, including 15 computers, 10 laptops, and 20 mobile phones. A total of 13 individuals were arrested, including 2 main owners, 1 manager, and 10 telecallers. The accused have been booked under several sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, including sections 316, 2, criminal breach of trust, 318, 4, cheating, and 336, 2, forgery. Additionally, charges have been filed under the Information Technology Act and the Telecommunications Act. The arrested individuals have been sent to police custody for further investigation to identify the full extent of the network, which is believed to have international links. This successful bust is a testament to the continuous efforts of Mumbai Police's crime branch in tackling cybercrime and protecting innocent people, both at home and abroad.